wearing a dress. What dress she is wearing? It may be cotton or it may be silk or it may be silk or it may be like that. What is the quality? Or she is wearing or she wore which color dress? Red color dress or green color dress or pink color dress. So here quality means here we are mentioning the quality of a dress or color of a dress. That is the adjective. Means we will say about the quality. For example, she is beautiful. He is good boy. Good is the adjective here, and beautiful is the adjective here. So we have to understand that like that. And next coming to adverb. Adverb. It tells about or it adds something to the verb. It tells about or it adds something to the or it gives some meaning. Gives some meaning to the verb. It gives some meaning to the verb. Means here I told you already one example that Lakshmi is writing. Writing is the verb. And now it is telling something more about the verb. It is telling adverb is telling something more about the verb. What it is telling? For example, Lakshmi is writing very fastly or fastly. She is writing fastly a letter. She is writing fastly. How she is writing? She is writing fastly. Fastly is the adverb here. Means we are adding some meaning or we are telling, we are highlighting the verb here. Extra. అంటే verb ని మనకు కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రాగా దానికి కొంచెం మసాలా యాడ్ చేసేసి మనకు కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా హైలైట్ చేసి చెప్తున్నాం అనమాట. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎలా పని చేస్తున్నారు? దే ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్లీ. దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. హార్డ్. Quickly, slowly. These are some of the examples of adverb. And next coming to the preposition. Preposition means it tells about the relation of nouns. It tells the relation of nouns. For example, now one table and one cat is here. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక టేబుల్ ఒక క్యాట్ అనేది ఉంది అనుకుందాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటికి మధ్య ఒక రిలేషన్ని మనము పెడుతున్నాం. ఎలాగా? క్యాట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్ ది టేబుల్ ఆర్ క్యాట్ ఈజ్ అండర్ ది టేబుల్. ఆన్ అనేది ఒక రిలేషన్. ఇట్ షోస్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద నౌన్స్. క్యాట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది నౌన్ అండ్ టేబుల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ది నౌన్. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఏం చేస్తుంది? రిలేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ ద రిలేషన్. మీన్స్ it tells us about the relation between the relation of nouns. And next coming to conjunction. Conjunction means it joins two sentences. For example, Ramu and Ravi went to school. Lakshmi and Sita went to school. He and she are dancing. He and she are dancing. So here and is a conjunction. Means simply remember that it joins the sentences. And gives meaning. And next coming to it. So these are I think you are familiar about these parts of speech. Now the one thing today, you just take any nursery book or any first class, second class, third class, any book, English book, and just identify the parts of speech in any lesson. You take any book, whatever book you want, you can take, whether it is a 10th class or whether it is a first class or LKG or UKG, whatever it may be. But just you take the English textbook and just simply to examine yourself. To test yourself. అంటే మిమ్మల్ని పరీక్షించుకోండి ఒకసారి. వీటిని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ ద వర్క్ టుడే I am giving for you. I hope you understood this class, and thank you so much for all my viewers and subscribers.